No matter the offense, it's never too late for redemption. Sentiments coming from an ex-convict who opted to change while being incarcerated for over 10 years. He's using his journey to inspire others. Kean Morgan has the details in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
It was 2006, during the Yuletide season, when Howard Davis made a wrong move that would forever change his life. A move that cost him his freedom.
No, my baby mother kind of have some little conflict about my children about them being jacket, but as a young youth, we still never did meditate. We think about ignorance and lead up. For me and my baby mother have several arguments and family members, which it cost a frack and she ended up losing her life.
Sentenced to 20 years before parole, Davis realized his life would never be the same. Accepting his wrongs, he decided to do some deep self-evaluation.
I start search me to find me.
But for Davis, a prison sentence wasn't a death sentence. He enrolled in a few rehabilitation programs, including music, construction, and academics.
Sitting in the cells and not doing anything has always marred my mental thinking.
And with the same mentality, he started to empower his peers.
So if an inmate can't read or write, we are the one that go and show him how to read and write. Show him the basic fundamental of life, which is finding oneself.
The turnaround he made saw his sentence being reduced to under 11 years. Davis, who is now a liaison officer for those seeking employment after leaving the penal system, says he and a few friends are now on a path to help other ex-convicts turn their lives around.
Whenever the inmates have finished their sentences and come out, they don't have anything to do and going back to the life of crime.
But Davis's aspiration doesn't stop here.
Me infinite. Me not have no specific nothing. Me want to do a whole heap of things because a whole heap of things to do. And I think God make we unlimited. As long as it pleases Christ, it must please his man.
Davis, who has been out of prison for almost 5 years, is now a construction worker and says every dollar he now earns goes towards building this home for himself and his 2 children. He hopes they both learn from his mistakes. And for those who are about to leave prison,
decide what they want and what they need before they comes out of the prison so they can do exactly what they have meditated.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kean